What if I told you the reason you're not becoming rich is not what you're doing, but what you refuse to stop doing? Because wealth isn't only built by adding more, it's built by deleting the behaviors that quietly keep you broke, and most people never look at it that way. They think, I just need to work harder, earn more, find a better job. But that mindset is exactly why they stay stuck. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people are not poor because they don't make money. They're poor because they keep repeating financially expensive habits without realizing the damage. Compounds every single month. Things that feel normal, but destroy wealth over time, like upgrading your lifestyle every time your income goes up, like financing comfort instead of building assets, like chasing status instead of ownership. And the worst one? Confusing income with wealth. Let's break that illusion. A high salary does not make you rich, it just increases the speed at which you can make financial mistakes. Because if your spending scales with your income, you don't grow wealth. You just grow expenses in a nicer environment. Here's the shift most people never make. Rich people don't focus on earning more. First, they focus on keeping more of what they already earn and making that money produce more money. That's leverage. But most people are stuck in effort mode, trading time for money, then upgrading their life so fast that they never escape the cycle. Think about it like this. Two people earn the same income. One immediately improves their lifestyle, new car, new rent, new expenses. The other keeps their lifestyle stable and quietly builds assets in the background. Fast forward 5 years, yet one is still working to maintain their life. The other has options, freedom, momentum, same income, different decisions. That's the real gap, not intelligence, not luck, behavior, and emotionally. This is where people get trapped because spending feels good. Immediately, saving and investing feels slow, but wealth is never built in the moment. It's built in repetition. Every unnecessary upgrade is not just a purchase, it's a trade. You are trading future freedom for present comfort, and most people make that trade unconsciously every single month. So, if you really want to change your financial future, stop asking, how do I make more money? Start asking, what am I doing right now that future me will regret repeating? Because wealth is not complicated, it's just disciplined repetition of the right behaviors and ruthless removal of the wrong ones. And once you see that clearly, everything changes. If you found this perspective useful, consider subscribing for more calm, reality-based financial discussions.